Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. Para naman po sa vlog na ito, ating pag-uusapan ang mga samot-saring update dito kay Emma Tiglao matapos ang kanyang coronation dito sa Miss Grand International. So, on the job na itong si Emma Tiglao para dito sa kanyang maging roles and responsibilities sa Miss Grand International. Dahil ngayong araw mga kapolitika, October 20 is merong announcement itong Sinawat na kung saan ay magiging host itong si Emma Tiglao dito sa mga activities ng Miss Universe 2025. Miss Grand International 2025, Emma Mary Tiglao's homecoming to the Philippines may have to wait as MGI founder Nawat Itsaragrisel has assigned her to host Miss Universe 2025 activities. But I will let you work during the time Miss Universe event. I will put you in the host, small event, some events. Sa pagkakaalam ni Itsaragrisel, meron ng 125 official candidates ang Miss Universe 2025. Pero tsak na madaragdagan pa ang bilang nito. Emma Mary Tiglao to host Miss Universe 2025 events. Nakumpirma ang mga plano ni Itsaragrisel para kay Emma dahil nakuna ng video ang kanilang pag-uusap. Sabi niya sa Filipina Beauty Queen, I think homecoming celebrate after Miss Universe coronation better because you're so busy and we want to know exactly the result of the contest of the pageant. At yun mga kapolitika ang sinabi ni Nawat dito na kung saan is magiging host itong si Emma Tiglao dito sa mga activities ng Miss Universe. Samantala ngayong araw ay pinost ng Miss Grand rin yung mga activities, mga ganap ni Emma Tiglao dito sa organization. Queen Emma at Fly Now Autumn Winter 2025, see Miss Siam Paragon Bangkok International Fashion Week 2025. Our sincere thanks to Hilton Bangkok Grand Asuke for the warm hospitality and exceptional care. So pumunta po itong Sinawat at itong si Emma Tiglao dito sa mga sponsor ng Miss Grand International. At aside from this is nakabalik na rin po ng Pilipinas itong nag-sponsor ng Miss Grand para sa kanilang mga isinuot na sandals, yung Jojo Bragais shoes. Back in the Philippines with a grateful heart. First, huge congratulations to a very successful Miss Grand International 2025. Thank you MGI organization for welcoming Jojo Bragais in the Grand family. I felt at home. To Mr. Nawat TV, I have nothing but admiration to your leadership and vision. Thank you for giving me the opportunity of showcasing Filipino show craftsmanship in the grandest pageant stage I have ever been on. The same goes to the very gorgeous Miss Teresa MGI. Thank you for accommodating me always. I'm very excited for the future and I would say it is grand. So yun ang post ni Sir Jojo Bragais dito sa kanyang social media account na kung saan ay nagpapasalamat siya dito sa Miss Grand International at kay Mr. Nawat sa mainit na pagtanggap bilang isa sa mga sponsor na mga isinuot ng Miss Grand International. At yun po ang mga pinakasariwang update, mga kaganapan at activities ni Emma Tiglao dito sa kanyang pangalawang araw bilang Miss Grand International winner 2025. So ano po ang inyong maging reaksyon dito na kung saan ay napili itong si Emma bilang maging host dito sa mga activities ng Miss Universe? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
pageant system mo.
Iba talaga. I mean, iba yung rush kapag you love the platform of pageantry, you love performing, you love pageants. Iba yung rush eh. Personally ako, of course, nakakamiss mag-perform. Sobrang nakakamiss, but this is their time. Actually, this is Ate Emma's spotlight. So I'm really happy to clap for her.
Pareho kayo ng styling team, di ba? Crowns and Concepts.
Yes.
Yeah. Anong masasabi mo? Anong meron ang styling ng Crowns and Concepts na dapat dumugin sila ng mga aspiring beauty queens from now on? Oo, kasi pulido yung styling mo. Yung India, pulido rin ito kay Emma, pasabog palagi. So, alam mo yon. So, anong meron sa styling? How collaborative? Kung mapayag ba sila sa mga collaboration?
Yes. And I feel like that's one of the most important factors in winning. I feel like our team Crown and Concept, we're very open in collaborating ideas, suggestions. We only want what's best for the candidate. And I feel like if ever man meron ng, alam mo yung gustuhin na to be part of our team, I would say you're in good hands.
Parang iba yung team mo.
It's really a teamwork for us.
Yeah, wala, nakakatuwa lang, no, na parang history made, di ba? I'm so happy that you were able to witness this. Yeah, so ngayon, ano ka na? So ngayon, pahinga mode ka na. Pero are you about going to entertain?
Ayan na.
You just released your single Rainbow.
He's fishing out something.
No! Mag-showbiz, full time ka na ba mag-showbiz? Kasi ang dami mong nakikita ko sa Instagram, ang dami mong mga posts as an influencer. Tapos, ngayon patapos na sa January na daw ang Miss World.
Yes, malapit na. I think from the last time I heard, it will start this next month, November. The activities will start on November, but the coronation will be on January 1st week. Ayan.
Parang hindi mo napansin, training ka na ng 1.5 years.
Oo nga eh, ngayon ko lang
July ka na
realize.
kurunahan last year, October na ngayon, January 8 daw ang finals kung hindi na naman mamumuno. O, di ba? Isa't ka lahat. Pag 2 years kang mag-race, di ba? Halos 2 years.
Masaya!
Oo.
The longer the better.
Yeah, but I'm very excited as well for the Miss World Philippines this year. The Miss World Philippines organization is really working so hard to prepare, one of the best productions as well as activities for the ladies. So, stay tuned for that!
So, pero as of now, ready ka na to let go. I mean, parang ipasa yung virtud.
I feel like we will never be ready to pass our crown. But I feel like now that the Miss World crown has given me, Miss World Philippines crown has given me so many opportunities. Nabanggit mo kanina. Lately, I've been posting my work, work as an influencer, content creator, and now I'm working towards that. Actually, the entire GCC or the UAE has opened doors for me right now. So maybe you will see me go back there from time to time because I have projects there. Kaya, yeah, I can't wait, and I just want to thank God for these opportunities.
Malawak na market mo.
But Krishna, what do you think made Emma win? I mean, which part of the segment do you think?
I feel like Ate Emma, because we've been working with her since the Miss Grand Philippines, before she joined Miss Grand Philippines. And she's just really true to herself. Kung sino siya, on and off lang, ganun lang talaga siya. She's that bubbly, authentic, and genuine person. And I feel like the best quality that a queen should have is really personality and behavior. And I feel like she has that. That's why she won.
Were you able to speak with her before the competition, or?
Actually, I was in a few meetings while she was preparing because I'm also part of Crown and Concept. So, yun naman, nakita na talaga namin yung dedication niya, yung hard work talaga niya. Yung alam mo yung kahit medyo chaotic yung nangyayari, very positive talaga siya, very optimistic. So I feel like, naramdaman naman natin siguro yun, di ba, na very optimistic yung aura niya. Kaya siguro ang gaan-gaan lang ng laban niya.
Gusto ko itanong eh.
Kaya itanong mo na, kasi si Krishna naman, parang hindi naman.
Nakarelate ka ba doon sa pinagdaanan ni Emma? Kung sa
Naalala.
prelims ka?
Bakit?
Hindi kasi binash siya eh. Tapos nireview ni ALB niya siya. Binash siya dun sa prelims ko niya. Ngayon, feeling ko na sa kanyang huling halakak. Kasi nanalo
It
na
was,
siya.
I feel like what matters is really her heart in the competition. You know, kahit gaano pa karami yung bash, gaano pa karami yung negative comments, it's really her personality and dedication towards winning the crown. Yun talaga.
Talagang crucial talaga yung pagpili ng evening gown, no? Kasi yun ang naging sa kanya nung prelims Pero ngayon masaya kami sa gown niya sa finals. Pero nung prelims talaga parang divided yung Pinoy fans, di ba? Parang ikaw ba dumaan ka rin sa ganung aspect na parang nahirapan ka sa pagpili? Ano pinasuotin ko pang gala? Ano naman susuotin ko sa finals night?
Actually, hindi naman. Hindi naman nung time na I was competing, I was preparing for Miss World and while I was competing for Miss World, I'm a very hands-on person. So, lahat talaga ng styling and stuff like that, lahat yun collaborative, lahat yun talaga may say din talaga ako. And I'm really happy that my team were open to that kind of setup. Even ALB.
How do you feel na part ka ng golden era ni ALB?
Ay, grabe naman!
Nakakontribute ka!
Sobrang nakaka-goosebumps isipin. But I really feel honored talaga. So, I feel blessed and lucky to be working with ALB.
But can you let us know, like, how is it working with ALB that makes a beauty queen talaga win?
Si ALB kasi, he's a kind of person na he lets you, be yourself. He just thinks of what's best for you. Yun talaga. And he trusts the team behind him. So yun talaga, I feel like we have the creative freedom, we have the freedom to be ourselves.
So malaking bagay yun, no? Kasi he allows you girls to decide for what's good for you. And feeling ko good karma si ALB. Kasi tignan mo naman, history made, diba?
Yan naman. Naku, na-capture yun sa video ko. Oh my God.